Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the unit number 2nd of tool engineering, that is cutting tool materials and holding devices. So this is our 7th session over the tool engineering. So in this session we are going to discuss about the insert identification. Myself Jay Terle, lecturer at Department of Mechanical Engineering, KK Polytechnic, Nasik. So let us discuss about the insert identifications. So according to the American National Standard, the identification of inserts includes 10 position and each position is indicated by capital letter. So here there are 10 position which will defines the insert identifications or which will gives the information of insert identifications. So let us take one example. So here we have 10 position which will defines the insert identification. So each position has some special characteristics. So let us discuss one by one. First position indicates the insert shape. Second position indicates the relief angle or also called as clearance angle. Third position indicates the tolerance class. Fourth position indicates the chip breaker and clamping system. Fifth position indicates the insert size. Sixth position indicates the insert corner configuration. Seventh position indicates the insert thickness. Eighth position indicates the cutting edge condition. Ninth position indicates the cutting direction, and 10th position indicates the chip breaker. So likewise, each and every position indicates or defines the insert identification. So this is what about the general nomenclature of insert. So let us discuss one by one. First position indicates the insert shape. So the first letter in the insert nomenclature indicates the shape of that insert. So here we have, if there is a H letter, then it will indicate the shape is hexagonal. If there is a letter P, it will indicate the shape of insert is pentagonal. So likewise we have so many letters D, F, V, A, K, S, W, O, C, E, M, L, B, R, T, and if there is a X letter, it will indicate the special design. So likewise, first position indicates the shape of inserts. Let us discuss the second position. So second position indicates the relief angle, also called as clearance angle. So second letter in the nomenclature denotes the angle of the inserts. So here the clearance angle prevents the inserts from rubbing over the component. So the clearance angle is important, especially in internal turning and boring. If the clearance is not given, then the insert may rub over the component and we get the poor machining finishing. So here we have total 9 relief angles. So here, if in second position, if there is a letter B, it will indicate the inserts having 5 degree clearance. If there is a letter A, it will indicate the inserts with 3 degree clearance. So likewise we have C, D, E, F, G, N, P and O. So this is what about relief angle. Then next we will discuss the tolerance class. So here the third letter gives the tolerance of the inserts. It specifies the tolerance insert length, inscribed circle and thickness. So here we have total 14 tolerance classes that will indicate the inserts tolerance. So each class is denoted by capital letter. So here we have total 14 letters, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, U and N. So these are the 14 letters which will indicate the special or different tolerances in third position. So next, fourth position is chip breaker and clamping system. So here the fourth letter tells us about the type of hole and the chip breaker of the inserts. So here we have the types of hole and chip breaker. So if in fourth position, if there is a P letter, then it will indicate the cylindrical hole and die double positive chip breaker. If there is a T letter in fourth position, then it will indicate 40-60 degree double countersunk single sider chip breaker. So likewise we have here letters and each letter indicates the special chip breaker and clamping system. Next we have fifth position, that is insert size. So here the numerical value of insert specifies the length of the cutting edge of the insert. So here the fifth position indicates the cutting edge of that insert. So the fifth position may be indicated by 1 or 2 digit number. Next we have 6th position, that is insert corner configuration. So here the 6th position defines the corner radius of that insert. So here if in that position, 6th position, we have symbol 00, then it will indicate the insert has sharp nose. If there is a symbol V3, then it will indicate the corner radius of that insert is 0.03 mm. If there is a 04 present in the 6th position, then it will indicate the 0.4 mm of that corner radius of that insert. So likewise we have symbol and it will indicate the special corner radius in mm. Next, the 7th position indicates the insert thickness. So here we have symbol and in second column we have the thickness in mm. So the 7th position indicates the thickness of inserts. If there is a S1 symbol, then it will indicate the 1.39 mm thickness. So likewise we have symbol and these are the corresponding thicknesses of that inserts. Then 8th position indicates the cutting edge condition. There are 4 symbol in 8th position. If there is a F symbol, it will indicate the sharp cutting edge. If there is a E symbol present in 8th position, then it will indicate the right cutting edges. If there is a T, then it will indicate the chamfer cutting edge. If there is a S, then it will indicate the chamfered and round cutting edge. So this is what about the 8th position of inserts, which will indicate the cutting edge condition. So 9th position indicates the cutting direction. If in 9th position there is a symbol R, then it will indicate the cutting is right handed. If there is a symbol L, then it will indicate the cutting is left handed. If there is a symbol N, then it will indicate the neutral cutting, means we can move in left as well as in right side. So this is what about cutting direction. And 10th position indicates the chip breaker. So it will indicate the type of chip breaker used during the machining processes for better surface finish and good dimensioning of the object. So this is what about the nomenclature of inserts or identifications of inserts. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.